we are looking at a Garrard turntable. It has some special cool things about it that I think make it exceptional. Besides everything working correctly, it has a really nice sturdy plinth with its name on it. The dust cover is quite odd. I doubt that this was with this original, but it is Garrard, and it is very interesting. So it has a little handle on the top, and you can say, when you're playing records, you can say, did you mix Mariah with Ariana? Oh, no, never do that. Or, wow, that smells good. It smells like Kesha. Anyway. But it is a really cool dust cover. It's in really good shape. Cleaned up really well. It's been serviced. It did have a ceramic cartridge in it. Now it has a magnetic cartridge. So it sounds even better with your stereo. And it was broken down, cleaned, put back together. The Stylus is new. The cartridge is a Pickering. The actual Pickering numbers listed in the listing. It came with a round 45 adapter. It's awesome. 4-speed. On the Garrards, you don't have to set the size because this little arm in the back here that I have the dust cover pointing to decides where the tone arm lands. It also comes with the instruction manual for a Garrard 3000, which is very similar. It's just it's a Garrard 3000, I'm quite sure. And I have some clips of records being played, so I'll go ahead and do that now. In addition to 45s and a speed test.
I stay counting my blessings. I think about a nursery and I picture curly hair.
In Birmingham, in South. Was the king of saxophones. Yes, indeed he was. Talk about the guy that made it sound so good. Some people down the street, but then without a loved one to spend. But how much, baby, do you really need? Cheer up.
No, all functions are amazing with this player. Then another cool thing about this is it has, and I've never used this kind of 45 adapter, which seems silly, but I'm a product of the 70s, so I never used this old-fashioned ones, and this one actually came with this. So just gonna move it around so it. There we go. Press it down. Put on 45. Find some 45s. And get 5 on. I don't know if let me make sure. Now if we encounter skips, it is not the stylus here. They didn't pre-clean or play these 45s. I have containers of 45s. Okay, let's see. It's kind of awkward me reaching over, it's just the way the setup is. Okay. I'm going to put these here. Oops, bring that over. Have it on 45. And we will see what happens. Okay, here we go with 45s. And this is another example of we just have to set the speed because the player should figure out the actual size.
The fortune queen of New Orleans is brushing her cat in her black limousine. On the back seat was scratching.
Good job.
Every time I think of you, it always turns out good. Every time I've held you, I thought you understood.
Wow, that's amazing. I just adjusted it to move in a bit, but I guess it's too far, so I have to. The Eurythmics. But I am supplying instructions with the player, so as well as with everything I saw, I try to include the actual instructions or a model that is close to it, because you always need that. But, well, I hope you like it. I hope you love it. I hope you buy it. Thank you.